Hello.
You look alright?
Yeah,
Happy?
perfect. Good.
It's time to leave Cairns. It's been a long 8 months living with my roommate Dinos and the dog who's inside. The bike's ready to go. See you soon, Cairns.
Bye, Eddie.
Alright, just sat here at Smithfield. I've come 12k so far. Just about to start the massive hill to Kuranda, which is about 16k's away. Most of the hill is within 7k's and then it's up and down. After that, I'll probably stop in Kuranda, pick up some food, as well as have a bit of a break. Today's going to be a 55k day. So we'll see how this ride goes. We'll see how this hill is, because it's the thing I'm dreading most about this ride. So it's good to get it over day one. 3k's in, feeling good. Yow! There is so much traffic on this bloody road. B-doubles, big trucks. There's hardly even a shoulder half the time. In high-vis, flag, there's nothing more to do, and still it is so dangerous. It's ridiculous. Made it to Kuranda, finally. Pretty happy to be done with that. It just started raining as well. Flashbacks, which I'll tell you about later. Just out of Foodworks now. Gonna pick up some fresh fruit and veggies for dinner and go from there.
Gonna look really dodgy.
No, it's fine. Just leaving Kuranda now. So happy that hill is done with. It's pretty touristy here. Lots of nice little artisan markets, but not really my thing. Just had some lunch, got about 30k's to go now. Should be good. So I've covered just over another 20k's, just got to the turn off for the campsite. Another 6k's to go. I think it's a bit of dirt track as well, so it'll probably be a 15-20 minute ride. But I'm trashed, my legs are burning. Pretty keen to get into camp, have a cup of coffee, some more food. Should be good. Day one is done, feeling great, legs are bloody sore and I'm bloody hungry, but campsite's pretty good. Gonna set up just here behind me, get a load of this. Probably gonna go for a swim, but have some food and probably a coffee first, rehydrate, all that good stuff. Yow! Got a couple of baby avocados. So I've just got some coconut oil. It's like a Cajun spice mix that I got from a bulk food store. Quite a bit of veg. Well, good morning guys. Last night was a bit of a write-off. It started to rain as I was picking up those veggies, so I just finished them pretty quick and then headed into the tent. I was buggered, probably asleep by 8 o'clock. Had a pretty interrupted night's sleep. Feeling pretty cold this morning. I think it's still about 20 degrees, but a bit of a wind coming through, and yeah, I don't know, just a bit cold, a bit tired, but it's all good. Brekkie, I don't really want to have to cook a warm breakfast, so I'm often going to just try and have cold brekkie. I've got some avocados which I need to get through. They're looking a bit worse for wear. Some cold coffee. I got some nuts and a bit of quinoa. Whether I have the quinoa, I'm not sure yet. It's almost 8 o'clock, so I gotta start getting moving. slowly I want to start running you guys through what plastic free stuff I have. I got a bamboo sport thing. Majority of this plastic free gear was provided to me by a website called eOrth. I met with Kathy, the owner, and she was great in supplying me with a couple of products, which I'm really stoked with. One of which being this spork. So yeah, I'll run you through that kind of stuff as and when I start using it. I think on the way in yesterday as well, there's a bit of footage across what looks like a grassy kind of plain. I think I might have saw a cassowary in there, which is why I was filming it, but I'm not 100% sure. So I might do a bit of research when I get back to a bit of cell coverage and let you guys know. If it was a cassowary, I'd be pretty keen because I've never seen one before. But yeah, I'm just going to pack up pretty soon, get out of here. I'm staying with a warm showers host today, which is like couch surfing for cyclists, which should be pretty good. Pretty keen to sleep in a bed, maybe sleep in a bed, maybe in the tent. Have a nice cooked meal and a shower as well, so should be good. Looking forward to that. Body feels good, just knees are a little bit sore, but just to be expected really. Loving this campsite. It's only about an hour's drive from Cairns. Costs $6 or $7. It's a national park as well. Incredible spot, really is. Really is. Davies Creek, make sure you check it out. So that was a Nelson Naturals activated charcoal thingy. Comes in a glass jar, real heavy to be fair. And then I got a bamboo toothbrush holder, bamboo toothbrush, which is pretty cool. These guys next to me here are cooking bacon, which is not good. Not good. So I've just made it here to Mariba. I had some bananas and a big orange. Got a 36 k's to head to Atherton. Well, I'll be staying with the host obviously tonight, so I'm trying to get in touch with them, trying to get things organised. But probably it's pretty fair incline. I think 400 metres across the 36 k's. Probably take me 2.5 to 3 hours. We'll see. The bike's pretty heavy at the moment, so probably closer to 3, but should be good. Should be good. Just pulling up here for a bit. It's tough. I've got 15 k's to get to Atherton. This is the headwind I'm dealing with, and it's just this gradual uphill. But be done. It's a pretty good road and it's in good condition. I got about a metre shoulder, which is always good. Always good. Just got to keep trucking, boys and girls and girls. So someone just pulled up next to me, asked if I was Ed, said yes, and they're my warm showers host for tonight. So it's pretty good. I think I got about 8 k's to go, and there's this dirt track which I'm on. She recommended. So yeah, off the road, but still in the wind. Well, this light is pretty bright, but I'm in the tent. I'm staying in the host backyard. Steve and Trish, thanks for having me. Really appreciate it. So yeah, it's been a really good stay. I had a really nice meal, like a Korean-y, Japanese hot pot sort of thing. Missing a clip on this video of what I had for dinner. It was pretty boring. Just some veggies, zucchini, garlic, mushroom, and chilies. And then that clip of me brushing my teeth is sideways. Don't really know how to fix it. So it'll just have to do. Gonna sign off on this video, but I'll see you on the next one. If you've enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Really appreciate all your support. Good night, guys.